Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup with canned tomato sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a good quality canned tomato sauce, some vegetable or chicken broth, and a few key aromatics like onion and garlic. Don't forget a touch of olive oil and any optional additions such as heavy cream or fresh basil for a richer flavor. This simple approach ensures a delicious result. Now let's build our flavor base. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your finely diced onions and sauté them gently until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute more until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get answers, and control your smart home with just your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to combine our main ingredients. Pour in your canned tomato sauce and the vegetable or chicken broth. Stir everything together well, ensuring no lumps remain. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for at least 15 minutes, or even 20, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. This simmering step is crucial for a rich taste. Once the soup has simmered, it's time to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Carefully transfer the soup to a blender, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's completely smooth. Return the soup to the pot and reheat gently. Now, if you like, stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or milk for an extra layer of richness and a beautiful, velvety finish. Season with salt and pepper to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.